See the currently at the today's time, I would be inching to and craving to be talking about upon a subject, and that is crime against women in terms of the gender crime. I really want each one of us, whosoever can talk about it. When I'm saying us means I'm talking of a society. Each one of us should be talking this topic. How could we stop that? What should we do to make sure that this is actually stopped? If we can't bring it down, when I'm saying it means the rape crimes. If we can't bring it down to zero, at least minimize it to the best possible we can do. How do we do it? How do we address it? Now, we have done enough of empowering women. We have done enough of educating them. We have done enough of asking them to wear what, to go where, to be strong enough, dealing with the situations, learning martial arts, judo karates, not going late in the night out of home, not being alone on roads, not going to pubs, not doing this. So we have enough nots and don'ts for the women. We have done enough as a society. Would that alone be okay? Can that serve the cause, serve the purpose of ensuring that our women are feeling safe? We usually very normally says that this is 50% of our population, right? If 50% of your population is directly affected by a concern, are fearful of their safety, not sure whether when they are going out are coming okay back home safe without being injured, affected, violated sexually, physically, morally, whatever way, then directly they are directly affected. Indirectly affected is the rest of the 50% who are related to them. So if a woman is violated sexually, her father, her brother, so all male relatives, certainly including the female relative, everybody is affected, and equally everybody is living in a fear, in a worry whenever the female goes out. So if a girl goes out, she herself is worried, her mother is worried, father is worried, brother is worried, all other relatives are worried. So your whole society is living in a worrisome situation only because we as a society are failing to deal with this situation, this menace. I always say in all my interviews, all my discourse, that unless we start treating this as a serious constitutional issue, your constitution ensures a dignity, life full of dignity, safe, secured, healthy, peaceful life to all. And if 50% of the society is feeling unsafe in the country to live in within the safe and secured environment, we are seriously failing constitutionally. We are failing to serve Article 21 properly. In fact, we have completely defeated that article, your 50% of the population. How do we deal with it? Now, I'm meeting people these days, I am talking everyone. I would want people with voice, people with position, people with some kind of social recognition in all strata of life, be it politicians, be it lawyers, doctors, any other professional, students who are our future, all come out, judges, make a society group, start a discourse amongst your peer groups, amongst the corners close to you, amongst the colleges, schools close to you, or wherever you can reach out. Make a chain of such people talking, not one day, not as a seminar, not as a weekend program, but it has to be a very continuous, regular program to be conducted. Reaching out to whom and not to women. Women, we have guarded enough. Reach out to the man folks. Reach out to the boys. Reach out to the males. Reach out to every one of them, telling that if what you are doing is legally wrong, constitutionally wrong, morally wrong, socially wrong. It's converting yourself in an inhuman person, an animal, when you do such kind of act with any other human being. These violations not only would be spoiling that girl's life, the family who is associated with that girl, but it does cause harm to you equally or more. She might lose her life if this is a rape and murder, but then you are also going to pay the price for the punishment, which would be, if this is a murder, then this is, you can be hanged also, because ultimate penalty comes to you. Your family suffers. Family suffers the humiliation, the litigation, the punishment, and the moral shame, the social shame. This has to be told to every single man out and around. And when I'm saying man, means the kids also, the boys also, whatever age, that start behaving the social. We all are social animals, but we need not to behave like animals. When we say social animals, we are human beings. Let's respect each other's existence. Let's learn to respect the human being, the being around you. We have laws for not even to harm animal. There are jail provisions even when you harm animals. So any living being, you don't go and break upon anybody's chair. That is not a living being. Don't encroach upon somebody's body and then cause the harm which would be everlasting effect on the person and the family and the society too. Each one of us remember all these barbaric acts of gender crime. No one else forgets. Nirbhaya causes the equal amount of pain to us today also. Bilkis Bano case brings that kind of sadness and shame and disgust to us even today. The crime happened 20 years back. Nirbhaya happened it happened in 2016. So how many years? 2012. So many years back. But we all are still in the pain whenever we talk about those incidents. This Calcutta incident is bringing that kind of, uproar. Why? Because it causes that collective shame and collective pain. So high time when we are joining hands and taking that as a prime concern to deal with it as a society and try to sort out the ways. Even if we can improve 10% around us, it would be big service. So I would actually request the faculty, the students, especially the law students, you all have that legal aid clinics and the social responsibility education attached with your curriculum. Reach out to people around you. Reach out to the segments around you. Reach out to the schools. Do tell them about the POXO provisions. Do tell them about the rape provisions, 354, all molestation, eve teasing, everything. That these activities are considered as crime. 2, these involve serious punishments, and it brings not only a pain, a undying pain to the person concerned and the family, but to a shame to you and your family too. So let us try to correct the society in a broader manner. This is the message today for today I want to give. Thank you.